Good morning. My name is Dilip Kumar, Assistant Professor from Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about the horizontal milling machine. Many have a doubt that how these parts are manufactured. Can anyone explain about the name of the part?
Yes.
Gear. There are about different types of gears like spur gear, helical gear, bevel gear, etc. How it is manufactured? Yes, it is manufactured with the help of the horizontal milling machine. It is one of the machine where we can able to produce the gear with the help of the rotary cutter. In case of rotary cutter, we have a doubt or we have a question that what is the difference between single point cutting tool and multi-point cutting tool. The major difference between single point cutting tool and multi-point cutting tool is in single point cutting tool, the example is lathe machine. There is only one edges in the tool. The example of the single point cutting tool is shaping machine, planing machine or lathe machine, etc. as we had already discussed in the class. Whereas in the case of rotary cutter, there are about more number of edges in the rotary cutter. The example of the rotary cutter machine is milling machine. Now we are going to discuss about the horizontal milling machine. Next, I am going to explain about the different components of the horizontal milling machine. The first component of the horizontal milling machine is the base. It is made up of the cast iron, and why it is made up of the cast iron is during the machining process, the vibration creates and the vibration gets transmitted to the ground with the help of the cast iron. And the second most important part of the horizontal milling machine is the column. In the column, all the other components are mounted in the horizontal milling machine. Some of the other components are, this portion is known as the knee, saddle, table, overarm, and the name of the shaft in which the rotary cutter is fitted is arbor. Okay, this is the rotary cutter and this is the arbor. In the arbor, the tool has been mounted. And this mechanism is known as the indexing mechanism. This portion is known as the indexing mechanism, and this is the timing gear. These are all some of the basic components of the horizontal drilling machine. Now we are going to discuss about the components one by one. Thank you.
The base is fixed on the line. The column is the side can be fixed in the milling cutter. The n number of milling cutters can be used in the vertical milling machine. The horizontal milling machine can be multi milling cutters. It can be used. The workpiece can using for aluminium and mild steel. It using for the accuracy and perfect cutting of the edges and the product. The product can be accuracy and fitting of the more number of the product. It can be timing gear. The one machine to in one part can be rotating of the through the parts can use. It the most vertical to horizontal motions can be used. The lubrication system 30-40 oil lubrication can the accuracy for maintaining the works. Thank you.
Next, can anyone able to explain about what is the key feature of the horizontal milling machine?
I can. Features are the spindle is parallel to the arbor, and the horizontal axes are axes arbor to hold it and rotate the cutters.
As we have told that the major feature of the horizontal milling machine is the spindle and the rotary cutter is both in the parallel direction. This is one of the major feature in the horizontal milling machine. Okay. Next, we will going to discuss about the applications of the horizontal milling machine and what are all the various different types of components we can, our machining process we are going to perform with the help of the horizontal milling machine. The applications can be explained by Vishal Kumar. Before that, I am going to explain about the different operations. Some of the different operations or machining operations which can be performed with the help of horizontal milling machine is we can able to produce gear as I had already told, and also we can able to produce the keyways, slot cutter, slab milling machine, etc. These are all some of the minimum operations which can be done with the help of horizontal milling machine. Now Vishal is going to explain about the applications of horizontal milling machine.
applications of this machine is we can do gear cutting and slotting and grooving and keyways. So this machine is mostly used in heavy objects.
Okay. Dear students, if you have any doubt, means you can answer. Yeah,
What's the major difference between horizontal milling machine and vertical milling?
Yeah, nice question. The major difference between horizontal milling machine and vertical milling machine is, as the name suggests, here the arbor and the rotary cutter is in the horizontal direction, whereas in the case of vertical milling machine, the cutter is in the vertical direction. And also another major difference is, simple components can be produced or machined with the help of horizontal milling machine, whereas in the case of vertical milling machine, the larger components can be mounted and can able to machine. Thank you.